Welcome back, future millionaires. Today, we're tackling a topic that's as simple as pie and as powerful as a rocket booster for your finances: index funds. If you've ever heard someone say, "I let my money work for me," and wondered if their money is out there flipping burgers, you're not alone. But the truth is, their money is probably invested in index funds, and we're about to show you how to do it too. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what index funds are, but also how to invest in them, why they're the lazy investor's dream, and how they could set you up for a life of financial freedom. Plus, we'll sprinkle in a little humor, because who said finance has to be boring? Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. What is an index fund? Imagine this. The stock market is like a giant buffet, and instead of trying to pick the perfect dish, aka individual stocks, you grab a sampler plate that gives you a little bit of everything. That's an index fund. It's a type of mutual fund or ETF designed to mimic the performance of a specific market index. For example, the S&P 500 Index Fund includes the 500 largest companies in the US. The Total Market Index Fund? You guessed it, covers pretty much the entire stock market. In short, index funds are the cheat code for diversification. You're not betting on one horse, you're betting on the whole racetrack. Now, why should you love index funds? Let me count the ways. Low cost. Index funds don't need a team of expensive stock pickers. They're like the minimalist chefs of the investing world. Simple, cheap, and effective. Diversification. When you own an index fund, you're not just invested in one company. You're invested in hundreds or even thousands. Talk about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Consistent performance. Most actively managed funds struggle to beat index funds over the long term. Why? Because the market is like that one friend who's always right. Betting against it rarely works. Set it and forget it. Index funds are the crockpots of investing. You throw in your money, let it cook, and come back years later to a delicious return. But of course, nothing in life is perfect, not even index funds. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Average returns. You're not going to beat the market with an index fund because it's designed to match the market. If you're dreaming of Warren Buffett-level returns, this might not be your ticket. Market risk. If the market goes down, so does your index fund. But hey, that's the nature of the game. Lack of control. You don't get to pick the stocks. If a company you dislike is in the index, you're stuck with it. Basically, index funds are like marriage, low maintenance, reliable, but not exactly thrilling every single day. And that's okay. All right, let's get to the good stuff. How to invest in index funds. Here's your roadmap. Open a brokerage account. First, you need a place to buy index funds. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, pick your flavor. Set your goals. Are you saving for retirement? Building an emergency fund? Knowing your goal will help you choose the right fund. Choose your index fund. Look for options like S&P 500 index funds for large cap stocks, total stock market index funds for maximum diversification, bond index funds for stability. Check the expense ratio. This is the fee the fund charges annually. Keep it under 0.2% if you can. Remember, every penny counts. Start investing. Once you've done your homework, hit that buy button and get your money working for you. And voila, you've just invested in an index fund. Congratulations, you're officially an investor, and you didn't even need to wear a suit. Let's say you spend $15 a month on Netflix. If you instead invest that $15 in an S&P 500 index fund, earning an average annual return of 8%, guess what? In 30 years, you'd have over $22,000. Morale of the story. Maybe it's time to trade binge watching for portfolio building, or at least balance the two. Now let's make sure you don't sabotage your index fund journey. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Timing the market. Don't try to buy low and sell high, just invest consistently. Overthinking. Don't spend months researching the perfect fund. Pick one and start. Neglecting rebalancing. Over time, your portfolio can get out of whack. Rebalancing keeps it on track. Remember, investing is like planting a tree. You water it, give it sunlight, and let time do the rest. And there you have it, your crash course on index funds. Simple, powerful, and perfect for anyone who wants to build wealth without all the stress. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button to help others find it. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense investing tips, and share this video with a friend who needs to get their financial act together. Thanks for watching, and remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. See you in the next video, and until then, happy investing.